Hello friends, welcome again in Programming World. In the sequence of learning programming in C, we have discussed all the loops in C like while, do while and for loop in my previous videos. Also discuss working of the loops with the help of definition, syntax and also the help of flowchart. And I hope you got everything. Now today I am going to tell you the difference between while and do while loop statements. So let's see the difference. Here we can see while loop and do while loop. Now let's see the differences between both. So the first one is while loop is known as entry control loop, and here the first one is do while loop is known as exit control loop. Means this is what entry control loop and this is what exit control loop. Why I am saying that? You can check out the previous videos of while and do while loop. You will come to know about entry control loop and exit control loop. Clear? After, the second one is while loop check the condition first and then execute the block of statements. And here the second one is do while loop execute the block of statements first before checking the condition. Clear? Means it first tests the condition and after execution, and it will execute first the block of statement and after the execution it tests the condition. Clear? Now the third one is it is also known as pre-test loop, and here it is also known as post-test loop. As long as I already discussed about pre-test and post-test. Simply pre means before and post means after. Clear? Now the next one is here we don't need to use semicolon at the end of the loop, and here we have to use semicolon at the end of the loop. Means in do while loop semicolon is compulsory to use. Okay? Here we can see a simple definition like while, and here given condition I is less than 10. After these braces and the block of statements we print the value, and here we don't need to use any semicolon. Okay, but here in do while loop after the block of statements and after the condition we have to use compulsory this semicolon. Okay, clear? Now after, the fifth one is the block of statements are executed only if a certain condition is true, otherwise it terminates when the condition is false. And here we can see in do while loop, here the body of loop is always executed at least once, okay, without alternation, without any attention of whether. It means that without any regardless, okay, whether the condition is true. Clear? It means here when we want to execute statements like these statements at least one, okay, and without any checking condition, then we used do while statements without checking any condition. If we want to execute any statements here, that point we used this do while statements. But if you want to check the condition and you don't want to execute first in without checking condition, then that case we used while statements. Is that clear? I hope you got. Finally, the last one is the syntax of while and do while loop. I hope everybody is aware about the syntax if you are watch my previous videos. So let's see the syntax of while loop. Here we write while and checking condition. After this braces and we print the statements, the block of statements. After statements we have to here increased or decreased, means modify or update. Clear? And after the statements we closed here the braces, and here do while. First we have to write do keyword, and after do we have to use here this braces, this block of statements, and also modify, increment or decrement. The braces are we closed, and After the process, we have to check here condition, and we must compulsory use this semicolon. So this is what the syntax of while loop and do while loop. I hope you got the syntax. As long as in my previous video, I will also explain in details the syntax of while and do while. You will go and check out. I hope you got the every points, and I think that's enough for differences between while and do while statements. In the next video, I'll discuss the differences between for loop and while loop. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.